G'day guys, Scotty here from Airborne Solutions. We thought we'd give you a quick tutorial on lane assist. There is one a couple of years old, but things have changed a little bit now. So it's something that a lot of our customers use. Some of them use it for 80 or 90% of their operations. We would use it, and it means you don't have to go to a job first. You can arrive and work on the fly quite easily. What is it, I suppose, first of all? It's a hybrid automatic mode. So the drone will fly perfectly parallel lines and the user will control speed and height and how far it goes. So you don't need a field. Yeah, it works really well. We would use it, scattered gorse a lot. And we actually use it a lot in rolling country where we want to use a really high speed. So we might arrive at a 25 hectare new grass paddock and it's quite rolling. We've never been there before, but we've got a good vantage point. So we can send the drone really fast and cover the country really quickly, 15 meters a second. Where we're not too worried about release height. So sometimes it might be 4 meters off the ground, at times it might be 15. So without further ado, I'll show you how you do it. You just set up your normal manual settings, 50 litres a hectare in this case, 150 micron, our swath width that we want. So terrain following, we never have that on in lane assist. I find it quite annoying myself. I think the odd person does have it on, but basically if you're flying across the side of this hill and the drone notices it goes over a hole, it will try and descend into it, whereas I'd rather just have complete control of height. And return to home, heights and speeds, all pretty straightforward. So we'll just take off like a normal manual mission.
The drone is about to take off. Please stay clear.
And we head over to the edge of our target. So let's say we wanted to spray this box thorn for the third time. We push and hold L2. So push and hold. And it will bring up all of our parallel lines. So those lines are all perfectly spaced 4 meters apart. We then tap to turn the spray on. Nothing comes out because we're not moving. As soon as we start moving, spray will come out. 50 litres a hectare, it's a little bit hard for you guys to see, but it is coming out. So then we get to the end of our run and we tap L3 and I'm doing the height here. If I do nothing, drone's doing nothing. And now the drone's turned over a perfect 4 meters. We'll pretend this is the end of our run again. We tap L3 again. Just works away like that. Up we go. Let's say we have run out. We now push and hold L2 to break the lane assist, and now we can fly fully manually again. We shall pretend we've come back and got another load. We don't need to, so we're reloaded now, new batteries, new load. We fly back up to the flag where we ran out. We get vaguely aligned. You can see the radar building the pictures out there, it's quite cool. And then we tap L2 and the drone will latch back onto where it was and we rip back into spraying again.
Spraying on. Failed to turn off spraying.
So just so you can see here, you can see I'm wiggling the sticks left and right, but the drone's not doing anything. Left or right. All it's doing is flying straight. As soon as I hold L2, got normal full left and right functions again. So a really, really useful tool. While we're up here, we'll show you guys this radar too. It's pretty cool. We'll fly it at the hill here. It's flying into the sun so you can't see much, but you can see it building out the picture as it goes, beeping. I'm getting more and more beeps. So yeah, pretty cool. It's giving a full 3.5 meters. Beeping away, telling me I'm mad. That's lane assist in a nutshell. Really awesome tool for just small jobs, or even some big ones to be honest. We did 45 hectares of forestry the other day, all in lane assist. It's because you can hold a really high speed. Thank you guys for watching. Heaps more tutorials on our website. If you have any ideas on what you want us to do a video on, just drop it in the comments below.